Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make red chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select fresh, firm strawberries, then wash and thoroughly dry them. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly, so this step is crucial. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This preparation ensures a smooth dipping process and easy cleanup, setting you up for success. Now, let's get that beautiful red chocolate ready. You can use red candy melts or add oil-based red food coloring to white chocolate. Melt it slowly, either in a double boiler or in short bursts in the microwave, stirring often until it's perfectly smooth and dippable. This careful melting ensures a glossy, even coating for your delicious berries. Time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted red chocolate. Give it a gentle twist to ensure an even coating, then lift and let any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place them on your prepared parchment paper. If you're adding sprinkles or drizzles, do it now before the chocolate sets for a beautiful finish. Once dipped, let your chocolate-covered strawberries set. You can leave them at room temperature, or for a quicker set, pop them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge, and they'll be delicious for 1 to 2 days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.